Welcome to the Sedex 18 conference. We've got a number of interviews that we're going to be doing with various participants. The first person to come and talk to us is Jill Tucker, who's Head of Working Conditions Programme for the CNA Foundation. Jill, I hope you're getting off to a good start here at the conference. Jonathan Ivor-Chapman talked about how in the last year there have been something like 2.78 million deaths in the workplace. Rana Plaza factory collapse, of course, was so monumental in scale, everybody knows about it. How significant in changing workplace conditions was that accident?
Well, I think it was extremely significant, but it's sad that after about 20 years of auditing, it's taken 1,000 people to die before the industry really revved up its program to eliminate bad working conditions. We've had 20 years of audits in the apparel industry, and so far they didn't prevent something like the Rana Plaza collapse or the Tazreen factory fire. So if we had a blank slate today, I would say that audits need to be not duplicative. They need to be transparent so that people can hold brands and manufacturers accountable, and workers need to be much more incorporated into the process of improving working conditions.
So something like the Rana Plaza accident must have made a difference to the way audits are formulated, to the methodology, haven't they?
Unfortunately, I would say not. That this is a regime, this audit industrial complex that has been going on for a long time. It's basically run by brands, and it's really hard to make a change. But there are easy answers. If all of the audits of the last 20 years were made transparent, then we, as the public and workers, could hold manufacturers and brands accountable. But instead, audits have been held in secret between manufacturers and brands. So there are some pretty easy answers. And we see in other industries, like the food industry or the automotive industry, are really committed to transparency because they know that this increases trust in their brand and it also improves conditions.
So if consumers are key to applying that sort of pressure, that idea of social license, that the expectations that society has of business, how do we apply that pressure as consumers?
Ask more of those that you purchase from. Make sure that that audit results are made transparent. I mean, there's a good example here in the UK of the Two Sisters Food Company, which last year, I think because of consumer pressure, decided to go transparent and publicly disclose in December of last year the results of all of its audits of its processing facilities. I don't think they would have done that if consumers had not demanded more information about the safety of their food.
The onus is on us. Jill Tucker from the CNA Foundation, thank you very much.
Thank you.